Good morning and welcome back to Scale Out a Guy's Workbench. Well, just a little bit ago I went out and I stepped out on my front porch and I found a package there for me. If you've been following me on Facebook, you will kind of have an idea what was in this package. But for those of you who don't follow me on Facebook, well, now you have to wait for this video. Well, I already opened up the boxes to kind of do a check it out thing. Both of them look like this, but inside they did bubble wrap them pretty well, and I pulled the bubble wrap out and everything, and I had to check out, make sure everything was good to go before I shot video of it. Here is the 1/32 scale Tamiya Toyota Hilux Surf. It wasn't until after I ordered this that I discovered that it is not a model per se. It is more of a toy, which was disappointing. I thought I was getting a model of this Toyota. Kinda did, but kinda didn't all at the same time. Here it is, 1/32 scale. It's got dark tinted glass, so there's no need for an interior. Like I said, disappointing. This measures, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inches in length. Let me aim this camera down a little bit. There we go. It measures 6 inches in length. The package is sealed, but yeah, there that is. And here's the electric motor and gearing. The wheels, and is that like a splash guard, or is that just part of the sprue? Don't know. Have no idea. Here's what would be considered the chassis and the mounting point for the axles and the motor. It's got some gnarly looking tires though. I like those. Of course, no name brand. No decals, peel and stick stickers. And the direction sheet and some other stuff that's all in Japanese. Talking about it takes 2 AA batteries. Oh, it does have English in there. This is all in Japanese. No, okay, this side is in English. Okay, so they do give you English and Japanese instructions. Some important information inside the box. I'm guessing that this is more of a kind of a snap together than it is a glue together. Oh, it's 4-wheel drive. Yay. Yeah, like I said, very disappointing. I really kind of thought I was getting a model of this truck, and it turns out it's a children's toy. Put batteries in it. I'll go ahead and still build it. Hell, I spent the money on it. Might as well, right? So there's that. In the next package, let me set this aside here real quick. In the next box, like I said, this one was rather beat up as well. They did have a lot of bubble wrap on it, but it still got beat up. It's the, let me get this box out of the way here. It's the Subaru Legacy touring wagon called the Hippo Sleek. If I stand it up, you can't read the box. This is a Aoshima kit. It is 1/24 scale, and this is a kit. It's not a toy. And well, let's look at some of the parts in here. You got one-piece glass. It's got a separate rear window, your headlights and taillights, and here's your seats and your interior bucket and dash. It's all your interior parts. Well, I'm going to set the body aside for right now. This looks like wipers and some interior parts. Low profile tires. They look like they're, I don't know if you guys can see that through the plastic, but they look like they're directional. Okay. Here's your chassis and your wheels. Looks like some suspension parts, exhaust parts, and some loose parts and broken parts. Wow, this thing took a beating coming across from Japan, I swear. Alright, decal sheet, and that is a decal sheet, it's not a sticker. And you got a masking seal here for doing the black trim around the glass. You got a good eye and a steady hand, you can kind of do that. Keep bumping the camera. Sorry about that, guys. Don't mean to do that. This is just like the Toyota, the pickup that I did not too long ago from Aoshima. Very detailed directions, which was nice. Let's pop all this stuff back in the box and we'll take a look at that body. As I said, I have already opened the box, so I kind of know what's going on with it, and I wanted to show you guys. The body, unfortunately, took the brunt of one of the postal workers' kicks or whatever. This roof line, I kind of pushed it back over, but it was smashed this way, and this ABCD pillar is broke loose. So I'm gonna have to work on that a little bit more and then reattach that pillar. But other than that, the body looks nice, crisp, clean. This does have a couple of mold lines on the corners. Back here, you can barely see them, but you can feel them on the bumpers. So there's the Subaru Legacy Touring Wagon Hippo Sleek from Aoshima. This one is going to be kind of neat to build. It's somewhat unique to my collection, at least. I don't know how many of you out there have actually built this. If you have, leave me a comment down in the comment section. Let me know how you did yours and, you know, how it turned out for you. I think this is going to be kind of neat. I don't do foreign cars very often. If you can consider this a foreign car, I mean, Subaru Legacies are sold here in the States, so it's not really a foreign car. I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So yeah, this will be a unique car for my collection. So alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not consider giving it a thumbs up? If you have any comments or questions or queries, throw those down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this one and build videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Make sure you are notified of any new videos that I post. Thanks for watching Scale Out a Guy's Workbench, and I'll see you on the next build.